Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable keyboards for guided access on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, from the home screen, open up an app that you would like to use with guided access. So for example, I'm going to open up the YouTube music app. In here, I'm going to triple click on the side button to start guided access 1, 2, 3. And then from the accessibility shortcuts menu, select guided access. Next, we triple click on the side button here 1, 2, 3. And this will now ask you to put in your guided access passcode if you use one. Next, tap on options at the bottom here. From the pop-up menu, tap on the keyboard toggle button to switch it off or turn it on, and then tap on done at the bottom, and then tap on resume. So now you are in guided access mode, and if you tap on the search button here, for example, it will bring up the keyboard. If you disable the keyboard, then it will not show the keyboard at all. So if I go back into the option here, go back into the option menu. In the options menu, if I switch off the keyboard and tap on done, tap on resume, you can see this time if I tap on the search button, it will offer me to use the microphone instead of the keyboard. And that is how you can enable or disable keyboard during your guided access session on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.